Hey guys, thanks for coming to Draw with Mom. Today I'm going to draw a little mouse with a chunk of cheese. Okay, grab your markers, let's get started. We are going to start with the little mouse. So we're going to do the ears. It's going to come up and around, over, up and around. And then we're going to come on down right over this way and then right back up. So this is going to be his little nose. And we're going to do two little eyes. 1, 2. Going to leave a little bit of white in those eyes. So it looks like there's a little bit of a reflection there. And then we're going to come in and finish out those ears. So we're just going to do 2 little circles in there. And now this little mousey needs some big old whiskers. So we're going to put a couple of whiskers on both sides. And then we're going to do the body. We're going to do something super simple. So we're going to do this little tiny mouse body. And we're going to do little tiny mousy legs. Just like that. And then we're going to put just a little back leg in and connect. He's just a chubby little mouse, ready to eat his cheese. There's the tail. And now we're going to put the cheese over here. So we're going to do kind of a triangular shape. Bring that up, and then we're going to come on down, down, and meet that right about there. Then we're going to put a couple of holes in this cheese. 1, 2, and then do little moons inside. And then we're going to fill inside of the cheese in. 1 up here. And now we are going to put just a couple of lines right in the feet here. And we're going to draw the floor in for this little mousey and his cheese. And now we're ready to get coloring. So let's go. Okay guys, there's our little mouse. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. We'll see you next time.